Hey everybody, I have a super quick card to share with you. I am going to be starting off by roughing up the edges on the card front, and this is measured at 4 by 5 1/4, and it's just some regular Kraft cardstock. I am going to be taking the Altenew Frosted Garden stamp set. I got this a while back and I've been really wanting to use it. And I'm going to be taking my stamp platform and I'm going to be inking up the stamp with some VersaMark, and then I'm going to be adding some Seedless Preserves Distress Oxide ink. When I add the VersaMark ink, it helps the ink kind of get all over the stamp. It's hard to explain, but it helps it with the clear stamps just to get a better impression, and that's why I did that. So I'm going to be adding some clear embossing powder, and I'm just going to be embossing this just to help the image stand out a little bit more, and it kind of makes the purple a little bit more vibrant. I am going to be adding some white splatters with some Distress spray in Picket Fence. And then now I'm going to be embossing the card with a Spellbinders Nestability die, label 17, I believe it is, and in the Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine. And I just wanted to add a little bit more detail to the card because it was super simple, so I just thought a little bit of embossing would be nice. I add some fun foam on the back just to pop up that card, the card front. I am taking a Echo Park die, and I die cut it 3 times. I almost decided that I wanted it purple, and so anyways, I just layered them on top of each other to kind of pop up that thanks sentiment. That's going to complete this card. Sorry, I kind of talk a little bit fast, and hopefully everything made sense. This video was super short, so I wanted to make sure that I was explaining everything. Here is a couple more videos you might enjoy. Be sure to check out the description box below where I have all of the supplies that I've used. And over on my website, I also have a coordinating blog post that you might want to check out as well. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!